Hey, what's up guys? Tyler here with Secure Team. Well, it's been a couple days since I posted a video. I'm trying to get better and heal, deal with the pain in my leg, but I feel good today. So I wanted to post a video. I'm actually working on 2 videos. So obviously I wanted to talk about the Cassini probe's final end, which has now come and gone, has flown itself into Saturn's atmosphere, and is likely now in millions of pieces, completely shredded by the 1,000-mile-per-hour winds. However, that didn't stop it from sending one last image before the lights finally went out. That image you're seeing here. Now, there's actually 2 versions of this online. There's a black and white version, and then like a true color version in yellow that you're seeing here. And this was taken at around 300,000 some odd miles away from the surface, or the surface clouds. And so yes, it was indeed still pretty far away. I was really hoping that it would last, at least to where it was maybe miles above the atmosphere, or maybe even inside. But I guess, I got my hopes up a little bit too much on that. And of course, we're going to have a lot of people out there saying, well, they probably did get images of that, and maybe there was something there they didn't want us to see. Maybe something that they didn't know that they were going to see on the camera when they got that close, or when they got inside of Saturn. For all we know, there could be a solid land mass in the center of Saturn, and, these massive storm clouds and rings on the outside are a mere camouflage, or a mere side effect of the planet's creation. We don't know, and, science is changing every day, so I kind of take what NASA tells us with a grain of salt. Yeah, they get data, but you never do know. But anyway, it is a really interesting image. Unfortunately, we don't get a lot of detail. The black and white image is actually better, which is what I'm showing you here, and we'll just kind of slowly go over it. We see a beautiful shot of these storm clouds on Saturn. A lot of them, are the size of Earth. It's a fitting end, I guess you could say, to the Cassini probe's life. It's kind of a sad day, because who knows when we're going to have another satellite like this. It's going to be able to fly through our solar system and take images. It hasn't just been Saturn that Cassini has snapped pictures of over its almost 15 years flying around our solar system. It's captured some amazing, virtually every other body in the solar system. And so in this particular video, I just want to kind of go through some of the most amazing images of these other planets, as well as some of the UFO sightings that it has captured. And we're talking about strange objects, cigars, things on the surfaces of moons and planets, whether we're talking about moons of Jupiter or Saturn. But there's some very interesting things that the Cassini spacecraft has captured. And in my last video where I did the compilation clip with the animation of all of these Cassini images, and a lot of people were saying, well, why is it in black and white? We spend billions of dollars on this satellite, and there's actually a very good reason. Creating color images is actually a very complex task, requiring much more labor and computer time. This is because all of the Cassini images are recorded in black and white, and the camera records the amount of light, not the color of the light, coming through the filter in front of the sensor. It is the filters that come in color. However, that's not to say that Cassini hasn't snapped color images, some beautiful ones. And so for this video, as I said, I want to show you some of the most breathtaking and mysterious photos of the planets and the moons around our solar system, their bizarre and beautiful features, and finally some of my favorite UFO sightings. So, as I said, I'm working on another video as well that I'm going to have up later tonight, so look out for that. And, well, sit back, enjoy, and it's good to be back.